Hi, welcome to this video. My name's Chris, and I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin using the Yanda platform. So you can see it stands out pretty well. The big orange button here that says buy Bitcoin. So you need some cryptocurrency to start trading. If you don't have crypto on another exchange to deposit, then this is one way that you can get it. So you're just going to click on that, and that's going to open a pop-up with our partner Changelly, who's going to process the Bitcoin payment for you. Now, you can just type in how much you want to send or convert or buy into Bitcoin, and you can choose which currency you'd like to do that with. And once you've done that, it's going to tell you, let's choose a currency that I know. Once you put in 1,000, it's going to tell you how much Bitcoin you're going to receive approximately for that £1,000 that I've selected there. You're also going to type in your country of residence. Agree with the terms, and then you're going to hit exchange. Now, this is going to take you to some more settings, and it's going to redirect you to the Changelly website where you're going to finish the process to buy. I'm going to leave you here because the rest of it is just step by step on the Changelly website, and you'll need to register with them. But if you got any questions, jump into our Telegram group or get us on support@yanda.io, and either myself or one of the team would be happy to help you buy some Bitcoin to get you trading. And until the next video, may the profits be with you.